Flight 10 hut.
Position of attention. Bring your heels together in line with one another and have your shoes touching at the heels, or as close as your body permits. Your feet should be facing forward, angled outward at 45 degrees, creating a V shape. Keep your legs straight, but ensure not to lock your knees, as this can cause you to pass out by reducing blood flow. Shoulders will be rolled back. This can be achieved by bringing them up, back, and then down. Arms should be straightened and brought straight down the side of your body. Viewing from the side should not reveal any bending of the arm. Wrists are straight with the forearms. Thumbs will rest on the first joint of the forefinger, but are kept straight, following the seam of your pants or skirt. Hands are cupped but not clenched, as if you're holding a roll of quarters.
Flight 10 hut. Right, hiss.
For the command, right, hiss. Following the declaration of hiss, raise the right toe and left heel slightly and pivot 90 degrees to the right on the ball of the left foot and heel of the right foot. The upper portion of the body remains at attention.
Right, hiss. Left, hiss.
For the command, left, hiss. Following the declaration of hiss, raise the left toe and right heel slightly and pivot 90 degrees to the left on the ball of the right foot and the heel of the left foot.
Left, hiss. About, hiss.
About face. The command is about hiss. On the command hiss, lift the right foot from the hip just enough to clear the ground. Without bending the knees or excessive leg swing, place the ball of the right foot about half a shoe length behind and slightly to the left of your left heel.
About, hiss. Parade, hiss.
On the command parade hiss, move your left foot from your hip cleanly along the ground so that your feet are now 12 inches apart. As the left foot moves, bring your arms behind you, keeping them fully extended. Uncup your hands as you move your arms and extend them straight, joining your fingers behind you, pointed towards the ground. The palms of your hands will face outward away from you. The right hand will be on the outside, with the right thumb over the left, forming an X. Keep your head and eyes straight ahead, remaining silent and immobile.
Parade, hiss. Present, humps.
On the command, present, humps, the individual raises their right hand smartly in the most direct manner along the front of your body as if zipping up a jacket, while at the same time extending and joining the fingers. Keep the palm flat and facing the body as your hand moves up. Place the thumb along the forefingers, keeping the palm flat and forming a straight line from your fingertips all the way to your elbow. Once your hand stops in the saluting position, the palm should be tilted slightly towards the face. Hold the upper arm horizontally, slightly forward of the body and parallel to the ground.
Present, humps. Order, humps.
On the command, order, humps, the individual lowers their right hand from the salute, following the same path downward as if unzipping a jacket, reverting back to their original position of attention.
Order, humps.
In this video, we covered basic drill movements such as standing at attention, parade rest, at ease, right, left, and about facing movements, and present and order arms. If you have any further questions or to learn more, refer to the Air Force Drill and Ceremonies Manual, the AFMAN 36-2203.